So I thought The Gun Range was my favorite podcast. Scratch that. National Farm Machinery Show. Oh yeah.
Is this crazy or what? Look, Stacy, I want to take you out in this. Let's go to Jet Fruities.
All I need is a beer and a pork sandwich.
Beer time. We'll trade husband for tractor.
Thank you.
We'll trade co-host for tractor. That works.
Absolutely. Like one of these. Seriously, this is a nice green color.
How should I just gone to your prom in that?
How much would a piece of equipment like this cost?
Well, as this machine here is set up, it lists at $600,000.
Now, my big question to you is, did you take one of these when you went to your prom?
Of course.
Will you save me? Will you just please save me? I mean, come on.